Hello everyone, my name is Dhanashri Anil Zadav, student of Computer Engineering 3rd year. Our project name is Create a Battery Charger Progress Bar using JavaScript. This project is done under the guidance of Professor S.B. Tamboe sir. The introduction and objective of the project. Progress bars are really useful to indicate the users that something happens and when it will be approximately done. They are useful on page where should be preloaded before pages is shown to users. That's why it's important that progress bar's code is lightweight so it can be loaded really fast at the start. I would like to hand over the next slide to Rutuja Shinde.
So, myself Rutuja Shinde. As we have learned about introduction and the objective of our project, I will start from the working steps and the requirements for our coding. So, working. A progress bar is made by slapping on a dialog and putting a bar in it. That bar fills up according to the percentage of a progress made in accomplishing a task. Hence the name progress bar. Programmers make a progress bar tick by attributing certain milestone during a task to a percentage. So once a progress bar reaches the third part of a task containing the 100 parts, it has to fill itself only 3%. Sometimes programmer can also put a timer on their progress bar. This will always inaccurately. It will determine how much time a specific task will take until it finishes. Then the steps for the progress bar. First, add the HTML below to where you will like to populate your progress bar. Second, add the CSS below to the main style sheet of your website. Third, add the JavaScript below to a file called progress.js. Fourth, add the include below to your web page. Then, requirements for the coding means which language do we need for the coding. First, it's CSS. Second, HTML. So, I would like to hand over further presentation to Sanjana Dev.
Now I would like to take over. Myself Sanjana and I would be telling you about the code. Let's move on to the code details. Firstly, we had implemented the CSS under the style tags. In that, we had implemented the properties of progress, progress wrap and progress bar. Now moving to the logical part, that is the main section of our JavaScript code, we had implemented the JS file from Cloudflare site. So as you can see, the following JavaScript code which is going to implement the progress bar. And the style of the progress is going to be controlled by the CSS, which means that the styling part is under JS code. We have created the object of progress bar and the variables as you can see like get%, get speed by which the progress bar will work. On the basis of these values, we have set the height, width and many other things. So moving to the next slide, we have implemented another styling part, that is our CSS. After this, the JS part again takes place, in which the color, %, width properties are defined. And after this, the JS is using the CSS code to make some attractive, or to be more clear, it uses the code to implement some changes to make the progress bar look more customized in design. At last, we have closed the HTML code and the program is good to go.
Myself Janvi. Now moving towards the output, we can see the progress bar gets full green. After running the code, it shows the battery charging turning into 100%. There are different types of progress bar. Example, in circular form and in rectangular shape, etc. Let's see the references. For the execution of the code, we have used Notepad, Microsoft Edge to view the output. We can also use any other application like Google Chrome, Internet Access, etc. Thank you.